Hi! In this video, we're going to talk about how switch management can be made smart with ecCLOUD, and we will introduce 3 great features that are cloud-enabled to help achieve this. Whether your network deployment involves just a single site, which looks something like the diagram shown on the left, or involves multiple sites that are located in different areas like what you see on the right, network switches are sure to play an important role in your network. And you might have all sorts of devices connected to your switches, such as access points, servers, printers, and computers. Now here comes the question. For managing your ecCore and IgniteNet switches, why do it over the cloud? The 2 most obvious benefits of using ecCLOUD to manage your ecCore and IgniteNet switches are centralized management and bulk configuration. So first, for centralized management, you can certainly manage all your switches in one central place, but it is not only your switches that can be managed through this platform. It is also your ecCore and IgniteNet access points and 60 GHz networking equipment. Then for bulk configuration, your switches can be configured in bulk, and configurations can be automatically pushed from the cloud. So with centralized management and bulk configuration, deployment time is reduced because you're not configuring the switches one by one. And human error is reduced because you can be sure that the configuration is the same across the site. And network changes become easy to handle because new changes can be pushed from the cloud. Then these are just the basics. There are additional features enabled by ecCLOUD that will make switch management smarter and easier, and we will introduce 3 of them in this video. The first one is auto VLAN configuration and sync. In ecCLOUD, VLANs can be configured for Wi-Fi access. So if your managed ecCore or IgniteNet access points have VLANs configured in the cloud and they're connected to the switch, ecCLOUD can synchronize VLAN settings on the APs to the connected switch ports. Configuring VLAN settings on switches can be a tedious task, and when you have any VLAN changes, if each switch has to be reconfigured, this can be extremely time-consuming and mistakes can happen. Then you have to spend more time troubleshooting where the configuration went wrong. So with ecCLOUD, the task of VLAN configuration can be fully automated and human error can be prevented. The second feature is port security. To make sure that only legitimate devices can access the network through the switch, we provide switch port security that allows network administrators to restrict access based on a pre-configured list of MAC addresses. And you can specify whether to block or authorize network access for each MAC address on this list. This feature prevents unauthorized devices such as a ROC AP from accessing your network from the connected switch. Then the third feature is related to power management. ecCLOUD can automatically detect if there are ecCore or IgniteNet devices connected to the switch, and it can calculate if the total power consumption of these devices exceeds the power budget of the switch. If this is the case, then the system will generate an alert so that action can be taken by the network administrator. So here are the 3 cloud-enabled features that make switch management easier and smarter. Here's a recap of what we have covered in this video: the benefits of using ecCLOUD to manage your switches, and the 3 cloud-enabled features. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at ecwifi@ec-core.com. We will be happy to answer your questions. Have a nice day. See you soon.